evening, we're happy to welcome all of you back to the Manila Hotel. We pledge to continue serving you and making you feel at home in every way we can. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the night. Mabuhay! A toast! Cheers!
Maraming salamat sa inyong pagdalo dito sa aming ikasandaan at 10 taong anibersaryo.
Filipino song composed by Cebuano.
Happy 110th anniversary, Manila Hotel. I wish you continued success.
Sa ating pong mga kaibigan mula sa Manila Hotel, ako ay bumabati ng maligayang 110 taong anibersaryo. Happy 110th anniversary from Mayor Francis of the City of Cebu.